The 2026 KDX-III Batch-II Aegis Destroyer marks a significant leap forward in South Korea's naval capabilities. As the most advanced warship ever built by the Republic of Korea Navy, this vessel isn't just a symbol of maritime dominance, it's a technological powerhouse designed for modern warfare and integrated naval operations. Whether you're a military enthusiast, a defense analyst, or simply someone curious about how navies prepare for the future, the KDX-III Batch-II deserves a closer look. Let's begin with its origins and role. The KDX-III Batch-II is the latest iteration in South Korea's Sejong the Great-class destroyer program. The original Batch-I ships were already among the largest and most capable destroyers in the world, but the Batch-II ships build on that legacy with upgraded sensors, enhanced weapons systems, and a more refined stealth profile. Their mission: provide long-range air defense, anti-submarine warfare, and ballistic missile defense for the fleet, while also supporting joint and coalition operations under the Aegis combat system. Physically, the ship is enormous. It displaces over 11,000 tons, making it comparable in size to a cruiser. Its overall length stretches around 170 meters, with a beam of about 21 meters. This size is not just for show, it allows the vessel to carry a formidable arsenal and house sophisticated electronics, as well as accommodate the crew comfortably on extended deployments. One of the most defining features of the KDX-III Batch-II is the Aegis combat system, now upgraded to baseline 9. This gives the destroyer powerful multi-mission capability, enabling simultaneous tracking and engagement of air, surface, and subsurface threats. The centerpiece of this is the AN/SPY-1D-V radar, a highly sensitive, phased array radar system that provides 360-degree coverage and tracks hundreds of targets at once, even in cluttered or electronic warfare environments. But perhaps more importantly for the modern threat landscape, the Batch-II ships are built with the capability to detect and intercept ballistic missiles. South Korea's partnership with the United States has allowed it to integrate the Standard Missile-3 (SM-3) interceptors, giving these destroyers a sea-based missile defense role that's vital in the face of regional tensions. The Vertical Launching System, or VLS, is another highlight. The ship features a Korean Vertical Launching System (KVLS) alongside the American Mk-41 system, combining for a total of up to 128 missile cells. These can be loaded with a mix of weapons: SM-2 and SM-6 surface-to-air missiles, TLAM light land attack cruise missiles, anti-submarine rockets, and even Korea's own long-range surface-to-surface missiles. This diverse loadout makes the ship adaptable to many mission profiles: defense, strike, or deterrence. Anti-submarine warfare is no afterthought, either. The Batch-II comes with advanced sonar systems, including both hull-mounted and towed array configurations. These allow it to detect submarines at long range and in variable depth conditions. Additionally, the ship carries 2 helicopters, typically the AW-159 Wildcat or the MH-60R Seahawk, both capable of deploying sonar buoys and torpedoes. Combined with onboard lightweight torpedo launchers, this makes the destroyer a serious threat to underwater enemies. Now let's talk design. The Batch-II ships have been subtly reshaped to improve stealth. Angular lines, reduced radar cross-section features, and a more integrated mast structure help minimize the ship's visibility on enemy radar. While no surface ship can be completely invisible, the design changes do reduce detection range, giving the destroyer a tactical edge in contested zones. Internally, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. The ship is powered by a combined gas and gassed COGAG propulsion system, essentially 4 gas turbines that provide both high speed and operational flexibility. It can cruise economically or sprint at over 30 knots when needed. With improved fuel efficiency and better automation than its predecessor, the Batch-II destroyer can operate longer and with fewer logistical demands. Crew accommodations have also seen a boost. Automation reduces the number of sailors required to operate the ship, which opens up space for better living quarters, improved working environments, and modular spaces that can be adapted for different missions, such as command and control centers or medical bays. In terms of networking, the destroyer supports full interoperability with US and allied forces. Its Link 16 and Cooperative Engagement Capability (CEC) systems allow it to act as part of a larger naval or joint force, sharing targeting data, relaying radar tracks, and coordinating engagements across wide operational areas. In a real-world scenario, this means a KDX-III Batch-II can not only protect itself but also act as the guardian of an entire task force. Another important development is the ship's support for indigenous weapon systems. South Korea has prioritized defense self-sufficiency, and the Batch-II reflects that shift. From locally produced anti-ship cruise missiles to advanced electronic warfare suites and data links, the ship showcases Korea's growing industrial base and technical know-how. Finally, the strategic implications of the KDX-III Batch-II cannot be overstated. With regional threats increasing, from North Korean missile tests to rising tensions in nearby sea lanes, South Korea is positioning itself not just as a regional defender but as a contributor to global maritime security. The addition of these destroyers to its navy helps tilt the balance in favor of deterrence, resilience, and rapid response capability. In summary, the 2026 KDX-III Batch-II Aegis Destroyer is more than a warship. It's a floating fortress, a command center, and a shield against evolving threats. Its advanced radar, powerful missile systems, anti-submarine warfare suite, stealthy design, and international interoperability combine to make it one of the most capable surface combatants afloat today. It reflects both South Korea's strategic foresight and its commitment to high-tech defense solutions. For navies around the world, the Batch-II sets a new benchmark in destroyer design and functionality.